Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, and welcome to a new index card art word prompt. Now today's word prompt is the word refresh. And refresh is defined as an act or function of updating the display on a screen. So that's the noun. And the verb would be give new strength or energy to reinvigorate. And it's quite a fitting word prompt for me this week, considering that I am just getting over the flu. My son's getting over the flu, and we recently lost my younger brother. And so I'm just trying to reinvigorate myself, refresh my mind and spirit to get back to the things that I love the most, which obviously is crafting and hanging out with the creative community. Now, I have pulled this cover from the In Touch devotional that I receive every month, and I pulled this months ago, but just going through my composition notebook, it's stored away. When I harvest from magazines and newspapers and things like that, images that I want to use for later, I just tuck it in my composition notebook. So I pulled this one out from my little stash and decided I'm going to figure out a way to use this to incorporate this, because this looks so refreshing. It truly does. It looks like a place that I'd love to be right now. So what I'm going to do is I am going to work on the background, lay this out, and then maybe add some special little touches to it. I'm going to keep it simple today, just as I get reacclimated back to my craft space. All right. So the rest will be put to music. So grab your craft supplies and any scraps you may have so that you can craft along with me. All right. See you back in a second. Okay, now before you pull out your index card and paints, glues, papers, and whatever else you're going to use to create this art that we're working on today, let's take a moment to think about what the word means to us and let that be the thing that inspires our art. All right? See you on the other side. Okay, so I'm just giving you a close-up of the words that I wrote on here. But I'm now going to take a stamp and go over with some different type of pattern, some different type of print. It's still going to be there. Work, failure, illness, loss, debt, but it's about to be camouflaged by something beautiful, more refreshing, right? Okay, so we have completed this week's index card art, and I've still got the little Vicky Booten's glaze on my hands. But you know, in this week's art, what you see here and what I tried to convey was, this is life. There's illness, debt, loss, failure, work, tasks. It's a part of life. There's likely going to be no time as an adult that you don't have some of these things around you. And it's natural parts of life, right? But God has found a way to always allow us to be surrounded by the thing that He created that can serve to refresh us. So there's that little word, refresh. We've got good old Mother Nature there. Fresh air and trees and a wonderful landscape for us to look at and be a part of, and just be grateful for all that we have in our lives. And so I'm going to keep that simple. I put a little bit of the glaze on the clouds and the snow on the mountains, just to enhance the magical feel of the great outdoors. So I hope that you guys enjoyed that. I hope that it has inspired you to pull out some of your crafty supplies and some scraps or what have you, and just go ahead and have fun with these word prompts. And if you're new to the channel and you're still here, that means that you need to click that subscribe button along with the notification bell, because you enjoyed this and you know it. So I look forward to seeing you back here again. Now, if you are a returning subscriber and have been a part of this creative community, my wonderful craft family, I want to, again, as I always do, thank you for returning. Thank you for sharing the love, the likes, for your feedback and your comments. They inspire me, they encourage me. And at a time like right now, when I am struggling to, be reinvigorated, it motivates me. Okay. So now, with that being said, guys, thanks so much. And until we're back here together on Patreon and YouTube, stay encouraged. You stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.